Most people think they fail at side hustles because they lack talent. But after watching creators for years, I've realized the truth. Most people fail because they never actually start. Welcome to 2026. The barrier to entry isn't just low, it's practically gone. You can sell from your phone, build a global audience from your bedroom, and test a business idea for the cost of a cup of coffee. Today, we aren't just talking about making extra money. We're talking about options. The option to have more control, more freedom, and the ability to walk away from things that drain you. Before I give you the what, we need to talk about the how. Don't jump into the first thing you see. Ask yourself these 3 questions. 1. The joy test. What do you actually enjoy? If you hate staring at timelines, do not start a video editing service. 2. The time audit. How much time do you actually have? Be honest. Is it 30 minutes a day or your entire Saturday? 3. The 90-day commitment. Can you do this for 3 months without seeing a massive paycheck? Here is a tip I live by. If I can't imagine doing this on a Sunday afternoon without feeling miserable, I skip it. Consistency beats talent every single time. Let's get into the ideas. If you enjoy writing, talking, or sharing ideas, 2026 is your gold mine. 1. Niche blogging 2.0. Forget lifestyle blogs. Think hyper-specific. Fitness for busy dads, sustainable parenting on a budget, or local travel guides. With modern SEO and ad networks, a niche blog is digital real estate that pays rent every month. 2. The paid newsletter. This is the ultimate ownership hustle. Platforms like Substack or Beehive allow you to share weekly tips directly with your audience. Once you hit 500 loyal subscribers, a $5 a month pro tier becomes a serious revenue stream. 3. Ghostwriting for founders. There are thousands of busy founders and influencers who have great ideas but zero time to write. If you can capture their voice and turn it into viral LinkedIn posts or X threads, you can charge a premium. You aren't just writing, you're building their authority. Maybe you don't want to be a writer. That's fine. 2026 is the year of the micro consultant. Look at what you're already good at. Are you the person friends ask for tech help? Do you know how to organize a messy kitchen? Turn that into a digital product. The mini course, a 30-minute video solving one specific problem. Digital templates. If you've built a system that works for you, people will pay to use it themselves. Remember the goal for 2026. Start small. Experiment. Keep what works. Don't try to build an empire on day one. Just try to make your first dollar outside of your day job. Once you do that, the game changes. You stop being a spectator and start being a creator. If you're ready to commit to the next 90 days, drop a 2026 in the comments so we can hold each other accountable. I'm Esther, and I'll see you in the next one.